YouTube. I just want to do a quick follow-up on my gear reduction maintenance that I noticed. In the last video, you guys probably noticed that when we rotate this, there's a lot of, you can hear the rubbing, obviously. And then I noticed if I pull this up, there's a lot of play in it. So if you lift it, there's no rubbing. So which is interesting. And then I was putting the caps on, and I noticed this, it's not just a cap, but it's got this raised section. And this raised section is the same diameter as the bearing that you see right there. So it goes inside that, right where the bearing is. So let me, so when you jack these screws, it basically pulls this deck up and puts pressure on the bearing. So basically just, you push the bearing downward and you're lifting this upward. So basically it removes all of that, that rubbing. So it actually sets the gap between the two halves. So let me see if I can just do one of these real quick, or a couple of these real quick. Let's see if I can get this tightened. It's really tough to do, definitely by one hand here. So it's one side. Let me do the opposite side real quick. As you can hear a little bit better. But watch if I jack up another one. See, which one did I do? I did this one, so let's do the opposite side. Pull this one up. Do this one a little bit. So we'll put that pressure on that bearing. It actually sets that space. There you have it. So here I'm thinking there should be some other spacer in here, and it's actually this hub that actually, pushes the bearing down and lifts this outer housing upward. So then there's no rubbing anymore. That's pretty cool. Hey, something you learned, just a quick video. Thanks for watching.